We'll guide you through how to make your audio sound better and more professional in Audacity. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up Audacity, and what you can then do is go and record some audio. I've already got that here, so let's go and get started and making this sound better. First of all though, I want to play how it currently sounds. Here's some sample audio which we're going to go and improve. I hope you find this useful. So now let's go and get into these settings. What you want to do is you can double click to go and highlight it, or press Ctrl A to get everything included. Then what you want to do is click on Effect at the top, and you want to go down and hover over EQ and Filters and select Filter Curve EQ. Now go and click on Presets and Settings in the top left, hover over Factory Settings and select Bass Boost. Go and click Apply. Then what you need to do is click Effect again, hover over EQ and Filters, select Filter Curve EQ, then click on Presets and Settings and hover over Factory Presets and you select Treble Boost. Click Apply. Now we need to go back there, so click on Filter Curve EQ, but this time in the Factory Presets we're going to be using Low Roll-Off for Speech. Click Apply. Now last of all you need to go and click on Effect, hover over Volume and Compression and click on Compressor. And now we're going to apply this. So personally I use -12, -40, 2:1 ratio, 0.2 seconds and then 1 second. And then I have this selected as well. When you're ready, click Apply and it will now be applied. So that's it. I'm now going to play it back to you. Here's some sample audio which we're going to go and improve. I hope you find this useful. And so there it is, and I definitely think that sounds better. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.